welcome back. So today, a couple of friends requested a video on how to take the Samsung robot apart. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate how to open it up. So what you want to do, well, you want to remove this one just by pushing that button that comes off. You want to get rid of the battery. Okay, there's a little clip right there. Just unclip it and pull it. That comes off. Before you remove that, there's a battery cover. 2 screws right there. That comes off. Before you remove everything, make sure you turn the unit off. There's an on and off switch right there. Make sure you put it on 0. After that, you want to start unscrewing it. So we have a total of 6 screws that you have to remove. Alright, let me show you guys. So once you remove the 6 bottom screws, there's another clip right here. I don't know if you can see it. You see this one here? So you want to press it gently. You want to press it. There's a tab right here. Okay, you want to press this one and then just push it this way, just gently. Lift it up and then just push it over and that should come off. And there's another one right here. See, there's another one right there. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, you press that tab and then you lift it up. You see, just like that. Then you have this cover off. Alright, so now you basically have everything open, and then you can start cleaning everything here, cleaning the fan right there. You can even remove the wheels. There's a couple of screws here that comes off, and just basically, you know, just clean everything, clean the fan, and that should take care of the issue that you're, well, depending what kind of problem you're having. But there is another video that we fixed one of the wheels that we weren't getting any power, I believe. So there's, make sure those are you know, to make sure they are spring loaded correctly. Always check for that. Okay, so alright, so thank you guys for watching, and I just if you want more videos of other vacuums, just write it down there, and we'll do our best to keep you updated on repairing different vacuums. And just please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.